Hello friends and family, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how we prepared the most delicious smoky party jollof rice. Let's get right into the video. So in here I have some fresh tomatoes, onions, red bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, and I also have some spring onions and some garlic. I will transfer these into my baking sheet which I've already oiled. Then I'll roast it until it gets charred. So this is to help introduce some smokiness into the jollof rice. And I've also realized that this helps to add some unique flavor and taste to the jollof rice. After transferring it to the baking sheet, I'll sprinkle some oil on it. Then I'll send it into the oven and allow it to roast. And here we have our charred ingredients. I've allowed this to cool down a bit, so I'll transfer it into the blender and blend into a fine paste set aside for us to use later. And here we have some oil heating up already. We'll go ahead and add some onions to this. Let it fry until it is translucent. Then we'll go in with our tomato paste. After adding the tomato paste, we'll mix everything together and allow this to fry for about 15 minutes. But I'll be stirring this from time to time within the 15 minutes to make sure it does not get burnt. If you enjoy watching the video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Thank you. This is after about 15 minutes and this is how the tomatoes look like. It's now time for us to add our blended ingredients. That is the ingredients we roasted and blended earlier. After this has fried for a while, I'll go in with some spices and seasoning. So here I have salt, rosemary powder, curry powder, seasoning cube, aniseed powder, and then fennel seeds. You can use any spices of your choice, so I'll add this, mix everything together and let it continue to fry until the stew is ready. Our stew is now ready for us to add in the rice. I've washed the rice already, so I'll go ahead and transfer it into the stew. I will add some stock to this and water to cook the rice until it is ready. At this point, you can make use of only water if you do not have any stock, and you can also use only the stock if it will be enough to cook the rice, but in this case I'll be using both. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for always supporting my YouTube channel. Please continue to do so by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. We need to make sure this is well mixed. Then after mixing this, we'll cover it and allow it to cook. But we'll stir from time to time to make sure this does not get burnt. And after some time, we open to check the rice, and then this is how it looks like. It is not yet ready, so I will stir it and allow it to continue cooking until it is ready. Wow, can you see the smoke coming out from our jollof rice after we opened it? So at this point our rice is ready. It is time for us to serve and enjoy, and this tasted so yummy and delicious. So we prepared this meal on New Year Day and we served some of our neighbors, that is some of the village people we are staying with, and trust me, they really enjoyed it and we also enjoyed this as well. So Please give this recipe a try and trust me, you will not regret for doing that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, kindly encourage me by doing so, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed for more valuable content. We enjoyed this with some turkey meat. I'll be posting a video on how we prepare this turkey meat. Thank you for watching. Bye.